Hello, this is Grace and welcome to ShareShot FX. So today we will see an educational video of the pair GBPUSD, and we grabbed GBPUSD both ways. Like we shared an analysis of GBPUSD for sell and made profit, and then we also took a buy trade consecutively, and then we made profit in that trade as well. So we actually grabbed GBPUSD in both ways, right? So for that reason I chose this pair to make breakdown video so that it's easier for you to understand. In ShareShot FX we always try to educate our members, so this is a small effort to break down this whole GBPUSD pair and the trades that we took, right? So we will start with the GBPUSD sell order first, and we shared, like I said, we shared free analysis on 20th February in our free channel, and as you can see that with that analysis we secured profit and the risk to reward ratio was around 2.8, right? So it's a good risk to reward ratio, you can say that. So like I said, this was shared on February 28th. So what was the bias behind this analysis, right? So as you can see that price created a kind of support in this area, and we know that whenever price creates this kind of support there is a liquidity pool. Now the market closed right here on Friday, and then when the market opened back on Sunday there was this huge jump from here to right here. So what is this called in Forex first? So this is known as price gap. And why does price gap occur, right? So price gap are sharp breaks in price with no trading occurring in between. And why did no trade occur? Because it was weekend, definitely, and the market is closed on the weekends, we know that, and because it's the only time that the Forex market closes. But this kind of price gap actually happens due to some economic issues or worldwide issues or some news, and we know that recently there is an issue going on between Russia and Ukraine, and for that reason price actually jumped from here to here, because although the Forex market was closed, the economy is never closed, right? So the economy is actually always moving. So for that reason when market opened it actually gave a sharp movement and it grabbed the liquidity that was available in this area, right? So now when price creates this kind of a gap, price actually tries to fill up this gap immediately. So it gave a kind of correction, or it filled up this gap area immediately, as you can see. And while filling up this gap, price gap area, price actually kind of created a trend line right here. And we know that whenever price creates this kind of trend line there are some liquidity below that area. So this is our area of liquidity, and we can see if we come just below right here, we can see that price gave a sharp movement right here, and this is actually an order block area, and price actually fulfilled its previous target and grabbed some previous target right here with this order block. So this was the situation of the market when we took the trade, right? We were sure that price will definitely come down to this order block area and also grab this liquidity that price created while filling up this price gap right here, right? So we took our sell order right here, and our SL was just around here, and the reason we kept the SL right here was because of this high that price created right here. So our SL was just above this area, and our TP was up to this order block area. Now let's see the movement of price. As you can see that price was ranging in this area for some time, but we were strong in bias, and we waited patiently for price to come down. And this is something you need in Forex always, that you need to be patient and confident about your bias. So like I said, see, price is moving down according to our analysis, and price is still moving down, and it kind of kept on ranging for some time, and boom, we hit TP right here. So this was the GBP USD sell setup, and we made a good profit with this analysis. So after this setup and after securing profit from this analysis, we actually took a buy entry for this GBP USD pair. Like it was like immediately after this sell order, we took a buy order. So we will see our bias for the buy order now, and this analysis was also shared in our free channel, and it was on March 2. And as you can see that we shared the analysis with entry, SL and TP, and along with this analysis. And this is how we generally post our signals in VIP. We always try to give analysis with our signals. So let's break down this analysis. So now let's see our analysis for GBP USD buy. Now, as you can see that price actually cleared this order block area, and it went down this order block area and grabbed the SL that was available just below this order block area. And if we look right here, we can see that on the sell side, liquidity was grabbed right here, right? So there was some liquidity here, and with this movement price actually grabbed that liquidity. So basically the sell side liquidity was already covered. So now we were looking for some liquidity in the buy side, and we could actually clearly see that there was some resistance area acting in this area, some resistance, some strong resistance right here. So this is our buy side liquidity right here. And if we look at this area right here, we can see that price left some imbalance in this area as well. So this is the imbalance area, and our setup was, our entry was just around this area, and our TP was just above this resistance area, and our SL was just below this order block area. So now let's see how price moved according to our bias. As you can see, price is moving up, and we secured our profit from here, and we closed this trade with 55 pips profit in for our free signal. This is how we grab GBP USD pair in both sell side and buy side. Hope you like the video. So if you like this video, don't forget to join our free channel, because we always try to educate our members in the free channel and also provide free signals so that you can actually see how our service, VIP service, works. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching again, and till next time.